Well, I'm glad to know that Kunnick, the polar bear, is being safe for this winter storm. But Matt, how can we stay safe as well?
She's probably getting a little taste of home.
I know,
with all this Arctic air making its way in. It's just going to be a little reminder. Yeah. But yeah, we are definitely in for the winter change up as we head into our day tomorrow. You know, today has been very sunny and very cold, but we are expecting all of that to change as soon as we head into our day tomorrow. So here's those weather headlines. You can expect clouds to gradually increase as we head into our overnight hours, and then the winter storm arrives tomorrow first thing in the morning, and once it's here, it is going to be sticking around for the majority of our Sunday and into Monday. And behind the storm is going to be an intense period of some frigid air that's going to really be around as we go all throughout our upcoming week. So tomorrow and into Monday, all day for both days, snow and ice are going to be our main weather threats. We're expecting accumulations of both, and that's what's going to lead to some of these hazardous travel conditions. So the winter storm warning now in place until 7 p.m. on Monday. We're still staying under mostly quiet conditions, a few passing clouds beginning to make their way into our skies, but over towards the west, you'll notice that we are starting to see a few of those flurries begin to band together just across the very edge of western Kentucky. It's all connected to the upcoming system that is still shaping up across the Rocky Mountains. It's now over Colorado, and it has a lot of things to fuel it as it makes its way closer towards us. The first thing that it's going to encounter as it makes its way closer to the east is a steady pocket of moisture centered over Texas. It's going to really drive this into its center of circulation and combine it with these very intensely cold temperatures as it makes its way further into the Ohio Valley. So it's really just going to swirl around a lot of this moisture and these below freezing temperatures. That's really going to bring us the majority of this storm system. So as it advances its way further towards the east and into the Ohio Valley, it's going to deliver us all modes of winter weather: snow, freezing rain, sleet, and then another round of snow. So let's break down how things are shaping up with this system. Into the overnight hours, the cloud cover increases. First thing Sunday morning around 5 a.m., that first band of snowfall lightly begins. But as we head into the later parts of the morning, between 9 a.m. and 10 a.m., that's whenever that snowfall really increases to some heavier amounts. As we progress further on into the morning time and closer into the afternoon hours, the freezing line makes its way just a little bit further towards the north. This is what changes our precipitation pattern. By 2 p.m., we're going to see this snow transition into that wintry mix of sleet and eventually some freezing rain. That means that the rain will fall to the surface and freeze on contact, since temperatures at the ground will still be at or below freezing. This is what causes our accumulation, especially as we head later on into the night. This freezing rain pattern is going to be lasting from Monday evening into the Sunday evening into the early hours of Monday morning. As we make our way further on into Monday morning, we are on the other side of the rotation, and that's going to drive in another round of snowfall. So we're going back and forth between snow, the freezing rain and sleet, and then back to snow again. And we're going to see this layered precipitation as we head into the later parts of Monday morning before the system finally makes its way out of our region as we head into the later parts of Monday evening. 4 to 7 inches of snowfall accumulation possible, along with close to a ½ inch of ice accumulation possible as well. Here's what you can expect for the next 7 days, those frigid temperatures following behind the storm into next week.